What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries, a mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC at ka-Jeromantics. Yes, I miss you guys. I know that you miss me. I received some comments, bakit daw wala tayong reaction for Ruel and Jerome. Kasi nga guys, it's so hard to get the video doon sa Itbulaga kasi lagi na lang after nung episode ng Clones Open, no, nag-explain ako, 'di ba? Oo, nag-explain ako. You need an explanation from me. Charet. Kasi nga after ng Clones Open, kapag guest nila si Jerome or si Ruel, hindi na pinapublic, guys. Hindi natin naaabutan dahil tulog po ako sa mga oras ng Itbulaga dahil tayo po ay nagtatrabaho sa gabi. Kaya naman pag hinahanap ko na siya, kahit pumunta ako kila KJ, kay KJ Avelino Vlogs, wala nang link, guys. Naka-private na siya. Kaya naman hindi natin nare-reactan. Kaya naman pasensya na kayo. Ang inaasahan ko na lang ay kanilang mga live performance. At kaya naman, naghanap ako ng mga live performance ni Ruel. At nakita ko ito kay Ruel Carino at Jerome Ebardome. O, dalawa na sila. Kaya naman, sa Jeromantics ka-RCFC, ito na po. Yes, dahil magre-react tayo para sa ating bunso and of course, the Elvis Presley of the Philippines, Jerome Ebardome, para sa kanilang kantang, napakasikat lang naman ito, no? My Way. Yes, excited tayo for this, guys. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God. Ito live sa Beach House. Akala ko ba My Way? Napaka-goofy talaga ng ating bunso. Parang 3 months ago na to, guys.
Ito na lang gamitin mo.
Ay, walang mic si Jerome. Oh my God. I love to see them both on stage, you know. Sana magkaroon sila ng silang dalawa yung concert nila, no? Matt Monroe and Elvis Presley of the Philippines, Ruel and Jerome, the BFF. Ganyan. May kakulitan talaga itong Ruel.
I'm speaking as Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. Oo nga, no? May pagka-Optimus Prime yung pagsasalita kapag Elvis Presley gagamit, you know?
Tigilan mo ako.
Ayun na naman sila.
Singer ka, hindi ka actor.
Alam mo, pag sila, nakasama ko sila dun sa holding area sa Itbulaga, ganyan kakukulit yan. So, ako pinakakulit na ng taga-awat.
Hello, kuya.
Okay. Okay, so, huwag na natin patagalin.
Beach House
Duet nila,
Bar.
My Way.
Yes. Uy, first time ko itong mapano nakanta silang My Way, ah.
Duel kami nyo.
Sayang, wala si Kuya
Yes.
Nandot, no?
Oh! Oh my God! I love it! Kahit na, alam mo, outdoor siya, ang ganda ng vocals ni Ruel. Very Matt Monroe. Woo! Yan ang maganda sa kanila. When they started performing, they became so professional, no? Hey. Oh, I love the harmony. Grabe yung lalim ng boses ni Jerome, no?
ulitin mo.
Biglang naging Street Fighter.
I've planned each traffic course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way.
Ang ganda ng harmony nilang dalawa. Eh! Puntik pa pong mahulog ang ating bunso. Kasi ang kulit. Wow! Oh my God, I love it!
I play strong and I stood tall and did it my way.
Cute!
I've loved, I've laughed and cried.
Oh my...
My share of losing.
Para sila naging pork chop duo doon. Di ba naiitan si Ruel sa naka-turtleneck pala siya?
The things I've been over, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh,
Grabe, ang kulit nilang dalawa. I love this duo, di ba? Oh my God, love it. Hey! Wow, I love how Ruel's doing that. Let's go back to that. Diba? Wow. Oh my God! Wait guys, balikan natin yun. Love it! Oh my God! Love that ending, huh? Hey! What a performance! There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino and Jerome Bardome singing My Way. Oh my God, what a performance. Oh my God, I'm so lucky to find this video, guys, kasi naghanap talaga ako ng performance ni Ruel at saka ni Jerome. And then, I come across this video sa YouTube. So, nakakatuwa kasi hindi ko pa talaga reactan. And this was 3 months ago. And I'm so happy to watch it for today's video. Talaga naman nag-enjoy ako at na-miss ko itong dalawang ito. They're a good duo on stage. They have the chemistry. They have the sense of humor. And then pag kumanta, very professional. Grabe. And I love how Ruel did the last part. And yung nila, harmony was really, really good. What can you say about this performance, guys? Sa panood nyo ba ito ng live, share the experience in the comment section. And of course, kung may mga request po kayo ng mga live performance nila, you can send the link sa ating comment section or you can go directly to my Instagram, Truly John Valencia, para naman tuloy-tuloy ang ating reaction for Ruel and Jerome. And of course, that's about our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.